Right now, you're going to quickly learn one super useful English phrase. It's short, easy, and you'll remember it forever because I'll give you examples that actually make sense in real life. The phrase is bottle up emotions. To bottle up emotions means to hide your feelings instead of expressing them. Think of it like this. Imagine pouring soda into a bottle and sealing it tight. At first, nothing happens, but if you keep shaking, at some point, boom, it explodes. That's what happens when people don't share their emotions. For example, he bottled up his anger at work all day, and when he came home, he exploded at his family. She bottled up her sadness after the breakup, but later it became even harder for her. And here's a funny one. When your Wi-Fi dies during Netflix, you bottle up your rage and just smile at the screen, pretending you're fine. Now your turn. Think about a situation in your life when you bottled up emotions, maybe at school, at work, or even with your partner. Try to make a sentence in English. You'll see how quickly this phrase sticks in your memory when you use it about yourself. That's today's phrase. Quick, useful, and easy to remember. If you found it helpful, give this video a like so more people can learn it too. And subscribe, because tomorrow I'll teach you another phrase you'll definitely want to use.